Welcome to the newcomers and welcome back to the stalwarts, to the 473 factory where we bring you that authentic island vibes. Today it's a bit rainy, but we're heading to Adelphi Waterfall. So stay along. I hope you enjoy this journey. If you're a first timer, remember to subscribe. Like this video if you enjoy the content that we've been producing. Let's go. 473 factory. So I should have been linking up with real Grenadian taxis and tours to make this journey to Adelphi Waterfall, but I was a bit late, so I get left on the parish. So I have to do it by myself. So I'm just waiting for Luan and the others to get here, and we're gonna try to get it done. You know, we in Grenada. I don't think we gonna lose. We go find the way. Yeah. So what time are you supposed to reach here?
Watch out!
See that your shirt nice. Don't study nobody. Can I lose my breath coming up that hill? So we reached the first intersection, but we're heading that way. We don't know where we're going, but we're gonna make it. If I happen to end up in any kind of predicament, I'll have to give Dylan a call. But for now, we're trying to find the place on we want. So we're just following the road, and wherever our instincts lead us, we shall go today. I hope that walk ain't too long. I'll keep track of the time for you guys. But we have recognized that along the route, we recognize that there are a lot of farmlands down inside here. So we have a lot of nutmeg, banana, and a few cocoa trees. So we meet another intersection. So we have this way and this way. But surprisingly, I see all of them heading this way, and I know they don't know where they're going. So I guess it's just for me to follow them, so we head in that direction. All the shoulder is the way? Ask if all the shoulder is the way. Okay. I don't know. They say yes, so we're going. We're going. I don't want a repeat of when we went to Seven Sisters where we go wrong road. If you haven't checked out that video yet, it's the video before this one, Seven Sisters Waterfall. Check it out. Right? Over here we have a nice feel of what we call callaloo, dashing. And I know most persons may not know of this fruit here. This is called a bread nut. It is similar to a breadfruit, but it has some seeds. You would take out the seeds in it and you would boil that seeds. And it's a nice creamy texture, like a nut. Yeah. So if you never had bread nut, try it out. Bread nut is a boss fruit. You know, when you boil a bread nut, you have to eat food and you're eating that and you're full for the entire day. So if you ever had bread nut before, drop a like on the video. Let us know your experience as it relates to eating bread nut. So the rain still light drizzle, but we're making it, man. We're on the way, we're making it. Alright, so we start here in the sound of the river. So I guess as much we are close, I guess we are heading in the right direction. Right, so the river is right there. So I guess from there we gotta figure out our next move. Yes, we have the river right there. So once we find the river, we must find the waterfall. Will we have to go up or down, or we just crossing the river?
Crossing the river.
You sure? I could better get that.
You get that?
Oh. I feel like the first fall actually catch on camera. Eh? And so we're crossing the river. We're heading across. So we made the water cool, eh? But not comparable to Seven Sisters. The water in Seven Sisters. It's cool, but not like down that way. You know, I'll catch you all them fall today. Alright, Mel, let's go. Mel Ballin help. Mel Ballin help. Mel Ballin help me, Jesus. Alright, so we just crossed the river and we're on a footpath. Father help us, I hope we're going in the right direction. See how with the rain, the path is a little bit muddy, nothing to complain about, but see we have a little mud along the way. But we're going.
Luan, don't go there. Come, Gavin, go back to the tour guide.
There's the tour guide.
Luan can't go there. Don't tell him
to pass on the side.
I should have hold me phone. Give me. I go and cut. Go for. Who pull you there, Melody? Let me go first.
I hear people up there.
Yeah, I hear him. Hold on. I don't want you, Monica. I'm not just pulling down.
Oh. No melody.
You going back?
And so there's a boardwalk here, but it doesn't look too safe. Part of it is. My Lord, look at Luan fall along in the river. Oh God, she wet. She wet too. Luan, don't walk on the stone and them. Them stones are slippery. We just came from there, where the boardwalk is. We crossed the river and we're heading up. We could hear the voices of the others, so I guess as much we are very close to the waterfall. So we have crossed the river 2 times so far. So we should be close. So yes. Alright, we made it. So I can see through the bushes I'm seeing the waterfall. Remember earlier I said I was hearing the voices of the others. So safe to say we made it. We're going. I know you're all curious, you're all anxious to see. And there we have it. Really nice waterfall. Alright, so the next aim is to head up to the top. So we're gonna be heading up these rocks here to get to the top. But looks kinda, just take my time and see how I can safely make it to the top while holding this camera. I don't know if we're gonna get through, but okay. You don't get tied up in a little boy it is. Alright. So we're up top. But we make it. Kotley, thank you guys. Where they going now? Alright, so this is the very top of the waterfall. That there is a basin by the name Gangari Basin, so we're heading up there to see what it's like, then come back down to the waterfall. So stay tuned. If you're still with us, remember to like the video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, remember to subscribe, drop a comment. So we made it to the basin. There's another waterfall there. Very nice. And we have some young boys having a time. They're just jumping in and enjoy themselves. So this basin there must be really deep for them to be jumping from this height up there. And so we're just heading back down to the very first waterfall that we met. We're gonna take a little bit, relax for a while. Alright, so we was able to make it back out safe. Generally the hike took us about half an hour to get to the waterfall and half an hour to come back. If you're interested in doing this hike, you could check out Real Grenadian Taxis and Tours. These links will be down in the description. If you're interested in getting any of the 473 Factory t-shirt or hoodie, links in the description for all the information. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like the video, drop a comment, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe, turn on the post notification. 473 Factory, we out.